y'all, and welcome to my channel. First things first, my name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. So today's video, I know y'all see me over here rocking it. And guess where it's from? Amazon has done it again, honey. She's done it again. Another one for the win. If you guys didn't know, I review Amazon wigs on my channel. So make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe so you never miss one of my videos, okay? But I am excited to show you guys this curly wig from Unice Hair Company and how I get my curly wigs to frame my face and lay flat. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you keep watching and we're going to get into that right now. So like I said, you guys, this unit is from Unice Hair Company on Amazon. And I'm just showing you guys the trinkets that came in the box. It was these lashes, of course a wig cap, and a little pamphlet for some information. So straight out of the box, here she is, curls and glory and all. So the first thing I noticed were the curls were popping on this unit, y'all. Popping more than any other curly unit I've probably ever had off of Amazon before. But the second thing I noticed were the layers in the wig. So I grabbed the ends and I just turned it upside down to show you guys that this wig did have some layers, and I would say it was about half of the wig that didn't necessarily go to the 20 inches that it claimed to be. That really didn't give me any problems per se, but if you guys were looking for a full length curly wig, this might not be the best option for you. She was pre-plucked, however, and she is a silk base T-part lace front wig, you guys, closure as well. So I'm just showing you guys that the silk base is sewed on there pretty hefty, okay? So if you guys are planning to wash this and actually keep that on there, she's not going anywhere. I promise you guys, she's going to be on there after a couple of washes. And this is how the part was looking at the top. Also, this is how the lace compared to my skin. It was pretty well. I did end up using a little bit of makeup just for it to match my skin when I did apply this wig. The construction of the wig was just fine. Your regular construction with the combs as well as your attachable straps in the back. So this is the stitching, you guys. I know a lot of people might come on here and ask, can you take it off? If you go through and untake those stitchings out, then possibly. Other than that, she is pretty well stitched on, and because I planned to wear her like such, I was excited about that fact. Those are the ends of the wig. Didn't know if you guys got to see, but I honestly loved this wig. Ended up installing it and keeping it on for a good week. Okay, you guys, so it's a whole nother day and I've been wearing this wig for about 2 days now. Sorry for the break in recording, but anyways, here she is, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I frame her to my face without using any scissors whatsoever. And may I say, Amazon has done it again, okay? These are the products that I'm gonna be using to shape my face without scissors, you guys. Some conditioner. I honestly love these products whenever I do wear a curly wig. These items are like my backbone in order to really get my wig to not look like it's just stuck on top of my head, but it's actually growing from my scalp. So you guys don't want to forget your towel and your hot comb. This thing is hot. It's hot. So the first thing I like to do, y'all, is to get the hair here super flat. And by doing that, this is a silk base T-part wig. So that means I only have this much hair really on the lace to work with, as well as the hair that's on the lace up here. And then the rest is tracked. So I really like to go in there with my flat iron and my mousse to get that super duper flat. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that. So the key to working with curly hair in order to frame your face is working in small sections, because as y'all all know, like, real curly hair comes out of your head looking straight. And so for wigs to have the roots super duper curly and just super duper voluptuous, it doesn't help shape the wig to your face at all. So I just go in and I use my hot comb to basically get the roots straight. That way it looks like the hair is coming out of my scalp and more of the volume is going to be at the bottom of the wig. wig. So you don't want to skip this step, because if you skip this step, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's gonna look wiggy. It's gonna look very like I just threw a wig on. We all know that I just threw a wig on, but we all just gonna act like I didn't throw a wig on. But we know y'all ain't got that curl pattern. Shoot, the makeup, this hair don't even have that curl pattern. The hair was straight before they processed it. So we gotta make it do what it do. And if you really want to look cute to the cute with a boot, cahoot. Timing. Put the time in, man. Put the time in. I'm just gonna finish this and come back to y'all to show y'all what it looks like once I'm done. Psych. But I just wanted to show you guys that already you can see a difference between this side of my head. And honestly, it's not gonna take like the full curl out of it. Like there's still gonna be some crinkling, which is what you want, okay? It's not gonna look straight. It's gonna look crinkled. But that looks so much more natural. So now I'm gonna finish this side and come back to y'all. Okay, y'all, this baby is on flat. What did I tell y'all? So another note, you guys, as far as like the flat ironing, make sure that when you're flat ironing the top of your head, hot combing, you hot comb in the back further down than you can actually see in the front, because that's just gonna really give the effect of like this is your head shape under the curly hair. Okay, so next, styling purposes, we're going to take some wrapping foam, and I always put it on the line between the flat ironing part and the actual curly hair, so it kind of looks like a moose crown. Next is the conditioner in the water. So of course this part, you just want to use your conditioner, use your water, and you can also use your Aunt Jackie's Lala, and this is really just gonna define your curls. If you want to use a dipping brush, you can. I've noticed with this hair I don't really have to. I kind of like it when I just like finger comb it. When it dries, I kind of like the look. I'm gonna use a dipping brush just to show y'all what the curls will look like, but for the past 2 days that I've worn this wig, I haven't been using one, and I've loved the curls regardless. So use as much curling custard as I do conditioner. Kind of just put that curling custard in the end, because it is gonna weigh down the hair. So if you guys like your hair really big, I suggest just using the conditioner. But if you like your curls to be like flat and look flat and like face framed, you use a curling custard. So as you guys can see, this is the hair damp and it hasn't been brushed out, and it has that conditioner in the curling custard. Use as much curling custard as you want to like really make the hair look kind of like it's yours. The more curling custard that you use, so that it looks like it's coming out of your head. I'm gonna finish both sides, come right back to y'all so we can finish these last couple of steps, because we're almost done. Oh, do y'all see this? Yes! Honey, these curls are popping, you feel me? So you want to try your best and not be like me and don't run your fingers through it, okay? Because that's just gonna make your hair bigger, but let them air dry like this. So last but not least, y'all, to frame your face, use some Got to Be Glued, okay? And this is a crucial step. Okay? I always use some Got to Be Glued, and I am just gonna spray these areas right here where I want the hair to fall on my face. So a lot of times curly hair will try to like eat, or it'll try to like eat. So I like to use some Got to Be Glued in the front of my hair, and I just spray this area like this. And then with Got to Be Glued, as you guys know, it'll get hard. So I'll just comb through that, and I'll comb the hair back and squeeze, and back and squeeze, you know? You guys can also help this process out by using some edge gel. Not this much, of course. You really don't need that much. To like lay down this hair in the front like so. I'm gonna do my edges off camera and come back to y'all with the finished look, so I can tell you guys my thoughts and ideas on this wig, as well as finishing up with y'all about this video. So bada boop, bada bang, boom. And oop, okay, so it's got bippity boppity boo. You already know. Then we made it do what it do, you feel me? Anyways, I tried to lay some edges. I don't know, I'm not really in the edge laying mood today, so it is what it is. This is how she's turned out. 10 out of 10 for the wig. Thank you, Unice Hair Company. This wig is so freaking fire and it's so freaking cute. And if you guys want the link, it'll definitely be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check down there for that. You guys will definitely be seeing me rock this wig on Instagram, so if you guys haven't already, make sure you go follow me on my Instagram. Make sure you guys comment your Instagram or any social media account that you want below, and you'll get the chance to be in a shout out in my next video, y'all. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as watchers, subscribers, or commenters of my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.